More examples of probability 2. Find the probability of getting a head and tail when any coin is tossed. Solution. The possible outcomes are head, H, and tail, T. Let E be the probability of getting a head. The number of outcomes E of getting a head is 1. Therefore, P of E is equal to P of head is equal to number of favorable outcomes E divided by number of all possible outcomes is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, if F is the probability of getting a tail, then P of F is equal to P of tail is equal to 1 by 2. Example. A bag contains a red ball, a blue ball, and a yellow ball, all the balls being of the same size. Without looking, Soumya takes out a ball from the bag. What is the probability that she takes out the 1. Yellow ball, 2. Red ball, 3. Blue ball? Solution. Without looking, Soumya takes out a ball from the bag. So it is possible that she takes out any one of them. Let Y be the possibility of taking out the yellow ball, B be the possibility of taking out the blue ball, and R be the possibility of taking out the red ball. Now, total number of outcomes is equal to 3. 1. Favorable outcome to get Y is equal to 1. Therefore, P of Y is equal to 1 upon 3. 2. Similarly, P of R is equal to 1 upon 3, and 3. Similarly, P of B is equal to 1 upon 3. Remarks. 1. An event from which only one outcome is possible, such event is called an elementary event. 2. In example 1, both the events E and F were elementary events. Note that P of E plus P of F is equal to 1. Similarly, in example 2, in all the three events, Y, B, and R were elementary events. Note that P of Y plus P of R plus P of B is equal to 1. You will observe that the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events is 1. This is true generally also.